What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is an unlocked Android smartphone that offers a unique and immersive experience with its innovative foldable design. The device features a large 7.6-inch interior screen, providing an expansive canvas for streaming and gaming. Additionally, a 6.2-inch cover display allows for convenient one-handed scrolling and quick tasks, enhancing overall portability. Running on Android 13 and equipped with 5G cellular technology, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 ensures high-speed connectivity. The phone supports various connectivity technologies, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and NFC. The 512GB variant offers ample storage for multimedia content, games, and applications. With an impressive processor, the device delivers a smooth experience with a high refresh rate and minimal input delays, making it ideal for gaming. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 introduces Dual App View, allowing users to multitask efficiently by dragging and dropping content between apps or running two apps simultaneously side by side. The phone supports S Pen capability, enabling users to write directly on the large screen and seamlessly transition from tasks to completion. Flex Mode enhances hands-free usage, enabling features like hands-free video calling, note-taking during video calls, and hands-free watching at a preferred angle. The flexibility to enjoy mobile games on the cover screen or unfold for a more immersive experience adds to the versatility of the device, making the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 a compelling choice for users seeking a unique and multitasking-friendly smartphone. The Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro is a flagship smartphone that delivers a stunning visual experience with its 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The display features an impressive resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate adds smoothness to interactions and transitions, providing a responsive user experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the robust MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, delivering powerful performance for various tasks and applications. The sizable 5000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage, catering to the needs of users who demand extended device longevity. The substantial 512GB of storage space provides ample room for apps, media, and files. Running on the Android 14 operating system with HyperOS, the Poco X6 Pro offers a feature-rich and customizable user interface. The device excels in photography with its 64-megapixel triple camera setup, capturing detailed and high-quality images. The generous 12GB of RAM enhances multitasking capabilities, making it suitable for demanding applications and gaming. Connectivity features include 5G support for high-speed internet, NFC for contactless transactions, an IR blaster for remote control functionality, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast and reliable wireless connections. Additionally, the IP54 dust and splash resistance add durability to the device. The Poco X6 Pro caters to diverse user preferences by offering different configurations, allowing users to choose between 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. Its robust specifications make it a compelling choice for gaming enthusiasts, ensuring a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The RedMagic 9 Pro stands as a dedicated gaming smartphone, offering a thrilling gaming experience. The device boasts a sizable 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a high 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals, and a sharp resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels. Driving the gaming prowess is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, providing high-performance capabilities. The phone is equipped with a substantial 6500 mAh battery, ensuring extended gaming sessions without worrying about running out of power. The device offers impressive multitasking with configurations of up to 16GB of RAM, enhancing overall performance. Running on Android 14 with the RedMagic OS 9 overlay, the RedMagic 9 Pro provides a tailored gaming experience. It features a 50-megapixel triple camera setup for capturing detailed shots and a unique built-in cooling fan to manage heat during intense gaming sessions. Gaming-centric features like touch triggers and customizable LED lighting further enhance the immersive experience. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including wireless, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, and NFC. The phone supports a dual SIM setup for added convenience. Charging is swift with an 80-watt charger, ensuring minimal downtime between gaming sessions. The RedMagic 9 Pro offers flexibility with different configurations, allowing users to choose between 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. With its powerful hardware and gaming-focused features, the RedMagic 9 Pro is designed to cater to the demands of gaming enthusiasts, providing an outstanding and immersive gaming experience. The Asus Rog Phone 8 Pro is a cutting-edge gaming smartphone with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, boasting a 165Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2400 by 1080. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it ensures a high level of performance, supported by up to 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. This combination makes the device capable of handling intensive gaming and multitasking effortlessly. In the camera department, the phone features a triple rear camera setup with 13, 32, and 50-megapixel lenses, along with a 32-megapixel front camera. This configuration enhances both photography and video capabilities. The ROG Phone 8 Pro emphasizes gaming-centric features, such as air trigger controls for console-like gaming experiences. Additionally, it offers advanced AI utilities like XSense 2, which identifies crucial in-game events, and XCapture, which automatically records pivotal gaming moments. Connectivity is top-notch with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring high-speed and reliable connections. The phone also boasts a thermally efficient design, a 5,500 mAh battery, and supports 65-watt wired charging, striking a balance between battery life and quick charging. The device runs on Android 14 and stands out with its anime vision, showcasing a sleek and minimalistic design with 341 customizable mini LEDs. With a slim 0.35-inch profile and an IP68 rating, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is designed for maximum portability and everyday use. The phantom black color option and additional features like a 3.5mm audio jack add to its appeal. Overall, the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro is a feature-packed smartphone tailored to the needs of gaming enthusiasts. The Motorola Edge Plus is a cutting-edge smartphone that promises an exceptional gaming experience. Featuring a 6.7-inch OLED display with HDR10+ support and an impressive 165Hz refresh rate, the phone delivers stunning visuals and ensures a smooth and responsive gaming performance. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, accompanied by 8GB of RAM, and offers storage options of either 256GB or 512GB, catering to the storage needs of gamers. Running on Android 13 with a mostly stock version of the operating system, the Motorola Edge Plus guarantees 3 years of Android updates, ensuring users stay current with the latest features and security enhancements. The device boasts a powerful 50-megapixel triple camera setup, capturing brilliant photos in various lighting conditions. Designed for an immersive gaming experience, the phone features a stunning quad-curved endless edge design, providing both beauty and comfort. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset ensures industry-leading performance, delivering groundbreaking speed for an exceptional gaming experience. The device also includes a telephoto portrait lens among its triple high-resolution cameras for versatile photography. With an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, the Motorola Edge Plus is built to withstand various environmental conditions. The phone offers extended battery life and supports 68-watt turbo power charging, providing a full day's power in just 9 minutes. The borderless display, along with Dolby Atmos audio, enhances the multimedia experience, allowing users to enjoy a billion shades of color on the 6.67-inch POLED 165Hz display while immersing themselves in multidimensional sound. In summary, the Motorola Edge Plus stands out as a top-tier smartphone tailored for users seeking a high-performance device, especially for gaming and multimedia consumption.